Happy Valentines, everyone. If you are alone this season, then just come out and meet and appreciate your friends, neighbors, and family. And your animals, of course. So, I just want to give you a shout out to give you a happy Valentine's. And don't get embarrassed. Just come and get a pet and give them a hug. But geese do not like being hugged, so I am going to drop her just in case he gets scared. But unlike chickens, they are more scared than geese as usual. But my geese, yeah, they're just totally calm. Well, more calm than usual. Well, they do not like being chickens like them a lot worse. But hopefully, mommy chicken right there is gonna go broody again, I think. So stay tuned for that. And I'm also checking eggs too. And looks like we have 2 eggs in the morning, which is good. Right. But also just make sure you have a